What's this, friends? It's my car. It's my 1982 Mercedes 300 diesel turbo. I just spent about 6 hours trying to put on new drive belts, and I just did it, and now she's running, and now I can drive her, and all is good in Moorland's world now. I think I've got oil and shit all over my face. I got all kinds of crap in the back of my head. But, you know, car's running smooth. Isn't that turbo whistle fucking fantastic? Uh-oh, cloud of smoke. That's okay though. I am not rolling coal, she's just cold, and I've also dumped a huge amount of fuel additive in her to like clean out the injectors and stuff. But look how smooth it is. You might not think that that's all that smooth, but this car's not been running for nearly 2 years, so it runs pretty smooth. Alright friends, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.